The ZOOI Bluetooth Beanie is a unique blend of warmth, convenience, and technology designed specifically for men who want to enjoy music and light while staying cozy. This product has gathered attention as a popular stocking stuffer and gift choice, especially around the holiday season. Based on extensive user reviews collected from across the internet, this review provides a comprehensive look at what users appreciate and where the product could improve. The Bluetooth Beanie combines a comfortable knit hat with integrated Bluetooth speakers and a built-in light, making it suitable for outdoor activities, work, or simply relaxing at home. The warmth provided by the beanie is often praised as it effectively protects the head during cold weather, which is especially important for those with shaved heads or who endure harsh winter conditions. Many users have reported that the beanie is ideal for use in winter climates, such as Vermont, where sub-zero temperatures are common. It has been noted that the beanie helps maintain warmth even when sleeping with windows open and fans running, which is a testament to its insulating properties. The Bluetooth speakers embedded in the beanie are a standout feature. Users consistently highlight the clear sound quality and lack of distortion, which enhances the listening experience whether they are shoveling snow, working on job sites, or relaxing indoors. The pairing process with phones is straightforward, and the connection remains stable during use. The addition of a light on the beanie is another appreciated feature. It provides practical illumination for activities like checking games or working outside in low-light conditions. This multifunctionality makes the beanie more than just a simple winter accessory. However, some users have experienced minor issues, such as skin irritation or rashes after wearing the beanie for a while. This seems to be mitigated by washing the beanie before first use, which is a recommended precaution. Despite this isolated concern, the overall feedback on comfort and fit remains positive. The beanie is also noted for its durability and continued performance over time. Several customers have reported that the product remains strong and functional even after extended use, which adds to its value as a gift item. The fact that some users have bought multiple units for family members and friends further supports its popularity and reliability. On the downside, the product's ranking suggests it is still growing in recognition, positioned at #323, 035 in clothing, shoes and jewelry, and #610 in men's scullies and beanies. This indicates room for broader market penetration but also reflects its niche appeal. The price point and availability make it an accessible gift option, especially during the holiday season when unique and practical gifts are sought after. In summary, the ZOOI Bluetooth Beanie is a well-designed, multifunctional product that meets the needs of men who want warmth, music, and light in a single wearable item. It excels in sound quality, comfort, and practical features, making it a standout choice for winter use and as a thoughtful gift. Users are encouraged to wash the beanie before use to avoid any skin irritation. The product's durability and positive reception among family and friends confirm its status as a reliable and enjoyable gadget. For those interested in combining technology with everyday winter wear, this beanie offers a compelling option. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions.